Hello everyone, this is our box and we designed this box into two parts, the internal parts and the outer parts. We designed this because we can easily to take out the ping pong balls inside this box, and this is the lock for the internal part. Okay, we use cardboard and plastic because we use this plastic to see the ping pong ball inside this box. Okay, this is the hole where the ping pong ball goes in this box, and this is aluminium sheet to make this sensor to send this aluminium. So this box we designed is quite smaller because it's lighter weight and it's easy to handle. Okay, this box will move from here, then it will send this aluminium, then the ping pong ball will go in this box, and now we can see this ping pong ball inside this box. Then this box will move until here, and the ping pong balls will go into this box, and so on. Okay, thank you.
Hi, I will explain a little bit on how our apparatus works. First of all is our green colored conveyor. The function of this conveyor is to convey the box, and it can move from left to right and from right to left. It depends on how our programming works. And the second is we have these two filters. The function of these filters is to contain the ping pong balls, and each filters can hold up to 4 balls at a time. Attached to this filter is the metal plate sensor. We use this metal plate sensor to detect the metal plate that we will attach to our box. When it sends the metal plate, it will stop the conveyor. Next we have this directional control valve. We have 3 double acting 5-2 directional control valve and 1 single acting 3-2 directional control valve. So why we use single acting is because it is more suitable in our process, and the differences between double acting and single acting is we only have 1 pressure port, and single acting has spring return. So attached to this single acting is a metallic sensor which will detect the movement of the piston. And the heart of our apparatus setup is the PLC itself. It contains our programming, and all the hardware of the input and output will be connected to these channels. And last is we have this switch to function this apparatus.
I will explain about the wiring system. This will be the connection for input devices, and this will be the connection for output devices. For input devices connection, the first 2 will be for red switch, next 2 will be for black switch, and then this will be for magnetic sensor. These 2 will be for left proximity sensor, and then these 3 will be for right proximity sensor. The positive terminal for black switch, positive terminal for red switch will be connected to COM 0.00 of PLC, whereas positive terminal for black switch will be connected to COM 0.01. And then for the magnetic sensor, positive terminal will be connected to COM 0.03. For the left proximity sensor, this will be the negative terminal, this will be positive terminal, and this will be the data. The data will be connected to COM 0.03 of magnetic sensor. And then data for right proximity sensor will be connected to 0.04 of PLC. And then all the negative terminal will be looped together. The looping of the negative terminal will then be connected to the negative terminal of PLC, which will then be ground. Now move to connection for output devices. The first two will be for cylinder A, followed by next two for cylinder B, and then these two for cylinder C, these two for cylinder D, these two for right relay, and these two for left relay. For cylinder A, the positive terminal will be connected to channel COM 10.00 of PLC. For cylinder B, the positive terminal will be connected to 10.01. For cylinder C, positive terminal will be connected to 10.03. For cylinder D, it will be connected to 10.03. And then for right relay, it will be connected to 10.04. Left relay, it will be connected to 10.05. All the negative terminal here will also be looped together. And then it will be connected to the negative terminal of PLC, and then it will be ground. That's all.
Hi everyone, today I would like to explain how my ladder diagram affects my conveyor belts and my piston. When I press the reach button, my box will follow the conveyor belt, go to the left side. During he move the right sensor, my second tool is activated. My second tool is control the cylinder C. Cylinder C, the piston will extend, means that one of the ping pong ball will crack between the cylinder C and the cylinder D. At this time, my sequence 2 will stop my sequence 1. After that, sequence 2 will also activate my sequence 3. My sequence 3 will cause the cylinder D to retract. The piston D retract. One of the ping pong ball will drop to the box. After that, my sequence 3 will activate my sequence 4. My sequence 4 is stop my sequence 3 back so that my cylinder, the piston D and back. During my sequence 4 activate, at the same time, he will also activate my sequence 5. During my sequence 5 activate, my sequence 5 is connected back to the right relay 100.04, means that the conveyor belt will activate again. During the conveyor belt activate, the right sensor will stop. At this time, he also makes the sequence 2, 3, 4, that's control cylinder C stop. At this time, my cylinder C will retract back to the original position like this. Okay, now my sequence 5 is follow the left side conveyor belt, going to the left sensor. Okay, after the sequence 5 activates, we will move from the conveyor belt, the box will move from the conveyor belt to the left side. During we move to the left sensor, during the left sensor detect the metal plate on the box, he will activate my sequence 6. My sequence 6 is also set, he will stop my sequence 5, meaning that my sequence 6 is stop the conveyor belt, the box is on the position here. So that sequence 6 will also control the cylinder A, he will cause my cylinder A to extend. At this time, one of the ping pong ball also packed between the cylinder A and cylinder B. Okay. After the sequence 6 activate, it will activate my sequence 7. My sequence 7 is need to control the cylinder B. During my sequence 7 activate, cylinder B, the piston of cylinder B will be retract, so that one of the ping pong ball will drop into the box. Okay, now sequence 7 also set will activate my sequence X. Actually, in my ladder diagram is got a latching diagram, so that my sequence X will stop the sequence 7. The sequence 7 that controls the cylinder B is stopped, meaning that my cylinder B will extend back to original position like this one. Okay, now sequence X will operate my sequence 9. Actually, my sequence 9 is a looping process. During this, sequence 9 is to make sure the conveyor belt move back to the right side. How to say that sequence 9 is move the conveyor belt to the right side? Because my sequence 9 is connected to the left relay also, and at the same time it's also connected to the right relay. He will pass the right sensor so that my sequence 2 can start again to run again until all the 8 ping pong ball is corrected. After all the 8 ping pong ball is corrected, my magnetic sensor will sense 4 times. He will activate my cover 3 so that he will stop all the process and make sure all the cylinder going back to its original position like this one.